Hi, welcome to the Legacy Lost Radio Music Paradise. And then a question I often get, and I see these at thrift stores and stuff, people are like, what is that? And they never hook it up to their stereo. And this is from my old AWA, but it's an AM loop antenna. And it's just a bunch of wire wrapped around in a loop, and it receives the magnetic portion of the signal. It's usually just a bunch of little skinny wires in a braid. You hook it up to the AM connector in the back. There it's usually just a little spring-loaded terminal here like so. And you hook it up to your stereo. And basically it's like a wheel. If you're looking at it like this, say the station is here. Say the station's the wall there, right back there. You're going to aim it toward the wall. Like that. And this is a null. The whole part here is where you don't want to aim it. So it's bidirectional, meaning it picks up from this side and that side, this side and that side again. It's like that. And again, think of it as like a tire. You're rolling this toward your station that you want to listen to, but you will pick up from this side too, but this will null it out. But I'll just do a little demonstration. Here's a station in Orlando. And let me get this here. Okay. Let's see if I can find something a little. Let me look here. Okay, here's a local. So let me look here. Sorry about that. So basically what you gotta do on this particular radio is the only thing I don't like about it is you have to manually put in, I believe, the station like 54. And you can turn this around, you'll get different. That's aimed toward Orlando there. See how it dies out? It's directional. So that's what I'm doing right there. So that's how that works. So that's an AM loop antenna, 73.